It doesn't matter how much religion you have. You're lost in spite of your religion until you learn to use your mind. It doesn't matter how much formal education you have. A man is ignorant until he learns to use his mind in order to be, to do, and to have the good which he desires. We have approximately 7 more minutes in this service before I pronounce the benediction. The next 7 minutes are going to be 7 of the most important minutes in this entire service. And please listen, because I want you to receive the results of this. I'm going to take you through a visualization prayer treatment now for your health, happiness, love, success, prosperity, and even money. And I'm going to show you and tell you how to continue to use this mind power technique of visualization to bring you the good which you desire. Because one of the most effective techniques of mind power is visualization. Let me hear everyone say visualization. Visualization. Say it again. Visualization. What is visualization? Visualization is using your imagination to see and feel yourself being what you want to be, doing what you want to do, and having what you want to have. I want to say it again because I'm going to take you through this process now. Visualization is using your imagination to see and feel yourself being what you want to be, doing what you want to do, and having what you want to have. This visualization prayer treatment is going to take me about 3 minutes to take you through. I'm going to ask some of my distinguished colleagues, Dr. Jensen, Dr. Miller, would you bring this chair out here and sit it about right here for me? We're going to be somewhat informal about this. But listen, it's very important. This will last about 3 minutes, but I don't want any walking from this point to the benediction. From this point to the benediction. Because I want to teach you visualization, and I want you to use this visualization process that I'm about to teach you every night before you go to sleep. From now on, make this your practice, and you will be amazed at the results that you will get. Those of you who have 3 minutes, now the visualization prayer treatment will last about 3 minutes, and then I want to give you the benediction. But I don't want anybody walking until the benediction, because it will only be a few minutes. I want you to be seated now, and let's begin the visualization prayer treatment. I'm going to enjoy the benefit of it with you. Get in the most comfortable position that you can get in. Let me teach you how to use your mind power for visualization. Tilt your chin slightly. Close your outer eyes now, both of your outer eyes, and open the inner eye of your imagination. And repeat this visualization prayer with me. Right here and right now, I enter the secret closet of my mind. And I look upon the stage of my imagination. Look. Look. Repeat the whole thing after me. Look. Look upon that stage. Oh, this is me. This is my divine self that I see in my imagination. Oh, my divine self is so beautiful. My divine self is so wonderful. My divine self is so loving and beloved. I see my divine self. Thank you, Father. I see myself as a healthy person. I visualize every limb of my body working correctly. I see my body in my imagination. as a strong body, a healthy body. I feel God stretching out in my body. And everything that is not like God drops away from me. I see myself in my imagination remaining strong and healthy from birthday to birthday. I don't see myself becoming old and feeble. I see myself remaining young, youthful and strong, with my mind keen until I leave this world. I see myself with the full use of my body and mind. Thank you, Father. Raise your hands for the benediction. And now the presence and the power, the love and the joy, the peace and the strength, the encouragement, all of the good that God is, go with you, above you and beneath you, around you, beside you, within you, and before you, and make smooth, beautiful, and perfect your way.